What's up everybody, Alex Winfield here with Coastal Group and the Winfield Real Estate team. And today I'm joining you from my very own neighborhood, Pembroke Meadows. It's a great family-oriented community and we're just a little over a mile from Virginia Beach's town center. So we've got a great house, turnkey, worry-free, and we got some beautiful lakefront views. So let's get around front and let's check this place out. The home features 5 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and over 2,500 square feet. Brand new, attractive, and durable LVP flooring has been installed throughout most of the downstairs. Both of the home's full bathrooms have been updated and modernized. This home really is worry-free with the HVAC, roofing, and siding all new since 2020. Just across the lake and within view is the Pembroke Meadows Park and pool. And both of these are key landing zones for social events, like the annual Halloween parade and the Friday night food trucks. One of my favorite spaces in this home is the screened-in porch, where you can enjoy the outdoors in comfort and style, and most importantly, you can take in and relax to these beautiful waterfront views. We've got 5 spacious bedrooms, we've got a turnkey worry-free home on a cul-de-sac in a wonderful neighborhood, and we got waterfront views. We got a lot, so come and check it out. Alex Winfield here, signing out for Coastal Group and the Winfield Real Estate team. May your castle be secure and your cup overflowing. Peace.